everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LFD or LittleFitDevil. I am here to provide you with some amazing knife reviews and also with some creative ways to carry your knives. Today's video is going to be a Spyderco Tenacious review. Check it out. And I am planning on reviewing knives every Friday. So if you like what you see, please go ahead, subscribe, comment, like, turn on post notifications, and all the great things that I learned today that you're supposed to be doing for your fellow YouTuber. Anyway, so here is my first knife review. I hope you like it. I am a fan of the Spyderco Tenacious. The version that I have, I got from my friends at Boston Blades. I will link them down below. And this one is a fully black coated Spyderco Tenacious, which I honestly love. If you are one of those people like me that like to match their knives to their clothes, this is a good one. Also, it is made in China and it is a budget-friendly Spyderco. You can get this knife for between $40 and $50, which makes it pretty cool because most Spydercos aren't that cheap. I have a Delica that's definitely more expensive, but this one doesn't feel a lot different. And I think they really did a great job for being a budget-friendly knife in the way that it feels. It truly feels like a Spyderco. It truly feels like there's some meat to it, and it feels like a great quality knife. So I do recommend this knife if you are starting to handle folder knives, and also if you're trying to get into Spydercos and learning the Spidey ways. Honestly, this is a good one because it does have all those features and it's going to save you some money. So let's talk about specs. So this knife has a drop point blade. It is partially serrated, which it's my first partially serrated blade. It is actually pretty useful. I know a lot of people are not a fan of them, but there's a reason why they're in the market. There's a use for it, and I think the partially serration is pretty cool, with the exception that it's kind of a pain to clean. The second cool feature is the oversized, you can see it is oversized, and it's this.
Could you try again?
I am not gonna edit that. It's kind of funny. Anyway, it is an oversized hole, which is kind of nice. A lot of people think that it makes the opening easier. I don't think so. It's still honestly super easy to open, but because my fingers are a little smaller, it makes it just slightly harder, but still super smooth, super fast, and it's really a nice feature, especially because the truth is most people that own knives are men, and you know, it's a cool feature to have a bigger hole that can help men with bigger fingers open the knife. So for me, it's not a huge deal. It's still pretty neat. What else? It has a liner lock mechanism. And let's talk about the clip. So it's a standard clip that has 4 ways. You can wear it tip down, tip up, or configure it to be right or left carry. Also a pretty good feature. I do love the scales. The FRN black scales are a favorite. My Delica has them too, and it feels so comfortable. You don't feel like you're gonna drop it or it's gonna slip. It feels like you can truly grab your knife even at the deployment stage, which I'm gonna show you later. So honestly, a great knife, medium size, good looking, honestly, really, really cool. So last thing I want to say is the specs related to the size, because a lot of people are going to be interested in that. The full size of the knife is about 7 inches and 3/4, so about 1 3/4 inches larger than a dollar bill. The blade itself is 3 1/4 inch or slightly longer than that, and honestly, a great middle medium-sized knife. Let me show you how I carry it today. So my plan is to not have to edit a lot of these videos and just show you what I'm planning on doing. I'm wearing this today and I'm going to try to adjust it or carry it in whatever clothes I'm wearing. So today, the best way is to carry it on my shorts, just to clip it there. The cool thing about it is because it's fully black, it's very easy to conceal. You can barely see that I have it there. If you want to go for full concealment, you can truly just get my shirt out of my shorts and cover it completely if that's what you like. Honestly, I don't think it's necessary. This looks pretty neat. And also, because the clip is so nice, you can deploy it super fast. And when you deploy it, you can grab it easy and it feels really super good. Okay, guys. I think that concludes my Spyderco Tenacious knife review. A couple additional things. I want to thank Girls with Guns. It is another page that I participate and I help with some content, and they have shared my content, and that's the reason why I have so many of you following. So thank you to them. Help me thank them by following them on Instagram and subscribing to their YouTube page and their Facebook page. I will put all the links below. If you like what you see, there's a ton more stuff that I do on Instagram. Please follow me there. And if you like to see these videos every week on Fridays, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. I will see you guys next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.